Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn how to list files in a folder using the bash scripting. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So we are going to learn list files in a folder, like whatever the files in the folder, we are going to check what type of files are there. Okay, so first of all, we have to define the folder path with like this: list files in the folder ls dollar folder path. Okay, you can also use various options with ls to modify the way the files are listed. For example, if you mention ls-l long listing format, display additional information like permissions, honor, size, and modify date. ls-a list all the files including hidden one. Okay, ls-lh long listing with human readable file sizes. Okay, if you're mentioning over here, so this is the simple code that you can go and just add it over here. Where is test bash? So let me comment this and let's check this one. So here we need to define the folder path. So any of the folder I can check, that is we could take an html. Okay, html5 we can take. Okay, this is the path that we have to mention over here. Let's check this one, ls folder path. Okay, drop zone, html tutorials and index.php, these are the files over here. If I go with the next step, that is ls-l, what will happen? Okay, so if I go and save this, and here you can see the permissions, it will come up. Okay, so long listing format, displaying additional information like permissions, honor, size and modified state. Same thing happen over here. Okay, modified state and all. Okay, so this is how you are able to list files in a folder using the bash script. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.